6 tips for recent grads to become indispensable in their job. Graduating from college, no matter the level of degree, and entering the professional workforce is a rude awakening. Your schedule is becoming more 8 to 5 and less class schedule. You have bills to pay, dress clothes to wear daily, and new work culture to learn and navigate. There are basic guidelines that you'll have to learn to succeed, but below you'll find 6 tips that will help make you indispensable to your new supervisor and workplace. 1. Anticipate and take initiative. Anticipating needs and taking the initiative applies to your own work and the needs of the office. Think through what your end results need to be and consider extra steps you can take now to make later easier. Also, take the initiative around the office. If you just made 200 copies of a document, refill the paper drawer at the printer. No one likes the guy that's inconsiderate, and little things like that get noticed. 2. Evaluate yourself. Assess your own work as you go. Do you think you could have done better on a project or listened better during a meeting? If so, do your own due diligence to be better next time. This will allow you to grow personally, and it will also show your coworkers that you can better yourself. 3. Don't stop learning. Just because you no longer spend your days in the classroom doesn't mean you have nothing left to learn. Every person you encounter at work has something to teach you. Some of those may be best practices, some of those lessons may be in worst practices. You should also take every professional development opportunity that comes your way. 4. Communicate. There are many ways to communicate at work. First, ask questions, even if you're worried you should know the answer. Admitting you don't understand something is better than messing something up. You should also talk to your coworkers. Ask how their day is going or compliment a well-done presentation. 5. Show yourself. Anyone can talk a big game, but keeping your head down and crushing goals and projects is a great way to show that you have the ability to complete a project. Show your worth and value to the job. 6. Be nice. Don't be a doormat. It really isn't that hard. Be helpful to your new coworkers. Offer to help with a project or a jammed printer. However, do not let coworkers walk all over you. It'll take work to find the balance between being an enjoyable coworker and not being the office punching bag. Learning to find your way in a new office is difficult for everyone. Doing so when you're first starting out is even more difficult. Working hard, playing nice, and pitching in will always go a long way.